How to attach a handrail bracket. Place the handrail on the ramp to determine which links the hook-style brackets will be attached to. Unbox all of the handrail pieces. Locate the hook-style brackets, T-nuts, and T-bolts. Lift the ramp up on its side. Attach the hook-style brackets to the correct links. Place the T-nut in the back side of the ramp link. Turn the T-bolt into the T-nut to secure the bracket to the ramp. Set the ramp in place and insert the handrail. Roller ramp, where strength and flexibility meet.